How to add a green screen effect to your video for free. Let's get started.
We are ready, sir, to film this very important video.
Yes, we are.
Everyone should like and subscribe.
You are right. Everyone should like and subscribe.
So the easiest way and free way to get a free green screen is from YouTube. Just open YouTube and search up for example, a money green screen, and you got it. A money green screen. Just watch the video you want. So I'm gonna just record this, and I got it. Now I'm gonna go open CapCut, click on new project. I'm gonna select any photo I want, for example this one. Click add, then add overlay, go to video, select the video we just recorded. I'm gonna split it here at the same time when the money is dropping, and I got this beautiful green screen that I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna just zoom it a little bit, and now I'm gonna click on cut out, click on Chroma key, and select the color picker on the green. Click on intensity and increase it a little bit. Go to shadow and increase the shadow to 100. And if you want, you can increase and decrease the intensity so you can have that good background. Now in this case, because the video we recorded was in a little bit like low quality, the green screen isn't that good, but still good, whatever. And let's see the results.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's an expensive Lamborghini, right? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And of course on YouTube you have many green screens, not just money. You can have explosion green screens, you can have car green screens, man, and whatever. So like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
US government just finished filming the most important video ever. Like and subscribe.